We have a boot camp, which is a 1-week intensive immersive experience where we take them through the entire process in a 40-hour week. We work a problem from research in the field to design thinking and innovation design and working through the design process to actually evaluating a finished design by the end of the week. And that's for people who are looking for an immersive experience who cannot take a year or two out of their lives or come to campus or come online, one night a week or one day a week. I think that the major design feature that distinguishes it from the other programs is the immersive experience. And then the fact that we will take the entire life cycle of user experience from research to testing and evaluation, that it will merge and flow seamlessly over the course of the week. So you'll see how research flows into design and how design flows into evaluation, and you will see that for a single problem space.